Making a custom Father's Day card? Try putting a banner on it. Here, I'll show you how. Try this 3-tiered banner. Squiggle back and forth from right to left. Repeat the same pattern below it. Draw an inward V to close up the top ribbon. Close up the next 2 loops with a straight line. Do the same thing on the other side. Of course, the ribbon cut end is the very bottom. Now watch carefully as I marker out the areas you want to keep. Erase the pencil line once you're done. For shading, try straight lines on the ribbon below. Now you're ready to write your message. Try a subtle sunburst behind your ribbon, then color it in. Try this next banner. 3 parallel rectangles with ribbon cut ends. Then connect them with the ribbons behind. Use a pencil first, then marker it in and then erase your pencil lines. Try a little shading with a finer tipped marker. What you decide to write on your banner will determine how many tiers you need. Try this 1-tiered banner. I hope this helped you in making your custom Father's Day card. Please like and subscribe.